Why automate your savings goals?
Automating your savings removes the guesswork and makes reaching your financial goals easier. With personal finance apps, you can set up regular transfers to your savings account without having to remember to do it manually. This strategy helps build good habits, reduces temptation to spend, and ensures you consistently make progress toward what matters most to you.
Popular apps with automated savings features.
Several leading personal finance apps offer tools for automated savings. Apps like Mint, YNAB, Chime, and Qapital allow users to create savings goals and set up automatic transfers. These features make it simple to move money regularly into specific goal buckets, whether you're saving for an emergency fund, a vacation, or a big purchase.
Step by step, setting up automatic transfers.
Most apps require you to connect your bank account first. Then, find the Savings Goals section and select Set Automated Transfer. Choose your amount, frequency, such as weekly or monthly, and link the destination account. Review and save your preferences. The app will now handle your transfers according to your settings, making saving effortless.
Tips for maximizing automated savings.
To get the most from automated savings, start with an amount you can afford, even if it's small. Review your goals and adjust as your financial situation changes. Consider using apps that round up your purchases and deposit the difference into your savings. Regularly checking your progress in the app can help keep you motivated.
Security and privacy considerations.
When using finance apps, always check the app's security measures. Ensure your data is encrypted and that you use strong passwords or biometric authentication. Opt for apps with reputable histories and high user reviews, and review their privacy policies so you know how your information and funds are being protected.